Hey guys, it's Kara. Welcome to Champagne Taste on a Beer Budget. And I'm coming at you today with all of the items for the Ipsy Ultimate October bag that is coming. And I thought I'd be doing a different video today, but it just so happened that Ipsy did a full reveal of every single item. And I do have some photos for you, and then I'm also going to be explaining what those photos are, since some of them are kind of small. Ipsy Ultimate, first one ever. There'll be 8 full-size products, 4 deluxe. On the second of the month, you can add up to 5 products. $12 for the big ones, $3 for the small ones, and that's at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This box costs $50. And as you may already be aware, there's a Betty Boop theme, and here is the photo for the Glam Bag Ultimate. It was supposed to be a bigger size, but instead for this month and this month only, the Ultimate is getting the same bag as the Glam Bag Plus. So it is black and it has sequins on the back. If you have the Glam Bag Ultimate, you may be able to view all of the items today on the 1st. And usually all the bags are available for preview on the 2nd. But this way you will know what is going to be available in the Ultimate, and also what could be available for the add-ons, which will be on tomorrow, the 2nd. So in the first photo, what we have at the top, we have Lasting Smiles Lip Balm in Peach Blossom. We have Real Her Do Your Squats, which is an eyeshadow palette, and also the I Feel Beautiful eyeshadow palette right next to it. There is a tiny little Nanette Lepore perfume sampler, and that is Beautiful Times, the name of the scent. And then there will be Pharmacy, a full size of the Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. And hopefully some of these items will be available in the add-ons, but we don't quite know yet. Next to Pharmacy, we have the Sam, which is a natural avocado and shea butter mask sheet set. Next to that, we have Papa Recipe Eggplant Clearing Mud Cream Mask. Next to that, we have Dewy Tree, the Clean Lab AC Dew Foam. And moving on to the next photo, we have the Murad AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. And that has been in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for a few months now. If you do get anything that you've received before, Ipsy is saying in their FAQs on their page to contact them, because they are trying to have their computers set up so that you do not get repeat items in your bag. After Murad, we have the Pure Lease Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer, and I like that product a lot. Next to that, we have C'est Moi Beauty Reflect Lip Gloss in Opulence. And I tried to look up C'est Moi Beauty, but the only thing that I found was a brand that was at Target, so I'm not familiar with that company. And then we have the Cela Skin, CELA Skin, Creme de la Creme, the very best cream. And I saw this in a live video that Ipsy did, and it seems to be a deluxe size. So down on the second row, you'll see Colored Rain, and these are eyeshadow singles. So these will be considered deluxe items. And the one on the left is Champagne Life, and then the one next to it is Glamour. And I do love the coloring eyeshadows. They were very nice, but again, these will be considered deluxe items. And then next to that, we have Eye Balm. It's spelled IBOM. It's lemon verbena clay mask. And it's hard to tell from that size whether that is a deluxe or a full size, but it appears to be in a tube. And after that, we have the Kaleido Cosmetics Obsidian Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. And if you enjoy this kind of content, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the like button for this video, since I am a small YouTuber and it certainly helps out my channel. Also, I have a giveaway going on. It ends tonight at 11:59 p.m. EST on October 1st. So this is what the thumbnail looks like for the video. You can go find that video if you are on a smart TV watching it, or just go to my description box below. I will have the link for that giveaway, and that's where you just do the whole thing of watch it, you know, all that other stuff, follow the rules. And there'll be a Jeffree Star mini Jawbreaker, an Iconic London huge palette. It's like a $65 palette, and a bunch of other stuff. And you have a good chance of winning because I have under 4,000 followers, so you do have a good chance of winning. Let's get, oh, by the way, if you want the entire Betty Boop collection, it is available in Ipsy Shopper currently for $39.99. Okay, let's move on to the next page of the Ipsy Ultimate. We have Lock, L period, O period, C period, K period, color, Unicorn Glow, Long Wear Primer up in the left-hand corner. I'd never heard of it. Next to that, Lock Color, Unicorn Glow, Hydrating Primer. Next to that, Real Chemistry, and the product name is Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream. And then we do have the Betty Boop Ipsy collaboration, the Cheek to Cheek blush palette, and that will be considered a full-size item. And in the lower left-hand corner, you'll see the Betty Boop Ipsy Drawn to You eyeliner. Then we have BioRace Low Hydrating Treatment Serum. We then have a trio of Farrah brushes, which is called the Midnight Pro Trio. I believe the handles on those are a navy blue. And then there is a Context Skin Matte Lipstick in Sweet Emotion. And for our last little line of products, we're just going line by line here from the big photo of all the products. We have the Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette in Topaz. I'm personally hoping that these are in the add-ons available to the other people, because these have been before in the Ultimate, these have been before in the Plus, and now these seem to be Ultimate items. So there will also be the Huda Beauty Obsessions eyeshadow palette in Warm Brown. Just those two shades will be available in the Ultimate only. They go for $27 each at Sephora. And then next to those, we have the Makeup Geek highlighter in Midnight Sun, and that's a full-size product. The value is $15 at the Makeup Geek website. And then we have the Makeup Geek highlighter in Lit, and yes, those are both available at the Makeup Geek website. So what do you guys think of these products? Is it more than what you were expecting? Is it less than what you were expecting? You will be getting 8 full size and 4 deluxe. And again, your bag won't be the full size, but it will be for next month and for all the other months that follow. If you are interested in subscribing to Ipsy, again, my link is in the description box, and I'm just really interested to hear what you guys think about this. This is a $50 box, and the Murad, the Pure Lease, those are things that a lot of us already have. The Pharmacy Green Clean, although I love it, I already have that. And there's the 2 Huda Obsessions palettes, and those seem to be the star of the show for me. But I'd like to hear what you guys think in the comments below. Okay, and don't forget to go and enter my giveaway, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell. Now would be a good time to do that because I have 2 more videos that I have to do right this very minute. And those are all the products for the Ipsy Glam Bag and all the products for the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. But before I leave you guys, I want to give you a little preview of what is going to be available tomorrow for the Ipsy October add-ons, and that is going to be the Murad Exfoliating Cleanser, the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads, the Green Clean Balm, hallelujah, that's what I want, and these other items that you can see right here. I'm currently editing, so the photo looks very small, but I believe that's a small little deluxe size of the Murad cleanser with the blue label on it, and that's coming in the Glam Bag as a variant. And then next to that is a hemp lotion. I don't know what scent it is, but they have included those in the past. The one they included in the past before was the sweet pineapple and honey melon, and it is just awesome for the summer. I have it. I love it. So any more information about add-ons will probably be in a separate video. Watch out for my 2 other Ipsy videos tonight. I'm going to try to get these all uploaded so you guys have all the information you need so that we can all get into the add-on room tomorrow, and who knows, maybe buy a lot more stuff or maybe not buy much at all. So thanks so much for watching, you guys, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye.